Welcome back, YouTube. Here today with socks in our hands because I'm about to show you guys one of the most brutal ways to train your chest using your body weight. Let's go. So if you've been doing any kind of at-home or bodyweight or calisthenics-based training, when it comes to training the chest, chances are you're looking towards push-ups and push-up variations. So nothing wrong with them, I still do them. I think push-ups are one of the most underrated exercises out there for muscle building, for strength, and for overall joint health as well. But when we're looking at trying to get as much as we can out of our at-home workouts, they do get kind of boring. And for many of us, if we're able to do, say, more than 20 push-ups in a row, it's hard to find ways to progress them. So you might be looking at things like using a band or trying to add weight plates to your back or something like that to make it even more challenging. And I would say, look, go towards that as well. What I'm going to show you here is a chest fly variation using your body weight. So you will need some kind of smooth surface. We have the concrete floor here, but you might be using bathroom tiles, kitchen tiles. It could be floorboards that have been varnished. And I've got socks on my hands. You don't need to be wearing socks. You might have those different slidey thingamajigs that I don't have. So I'm using socks. Bonus points if you wear socks when you do this, and double bonus points if your socks have got Jimi Hendrix right there. So what we're looking at here is we're going to start in a push-up position, but instead of doing a push-up variation, we're going to be doing a lowering or an eccentric only rep in a fly. So right down here. And instead of doing your regular push-up, we're going to stretch straight out to the sides with as much control as we can. And then we're going to come straight back up. So the thing with eccentrics, or the lowering phase of any lift, is your body is much stronger and your muscles are more capable of producing force as they lower or as they stretch out, as opposed to when they contract inwards. So we're going to make the most of this, and while I wouldn't be able to perform the fly motion on the way up, I can definitely perform this on the way down with that kind of control, which is a fantastic way to very quickly induce a lot of trauma to my chest muscles. So if you find this to be too challenging and you're not able to maintain about that 3 to 5 second lowering, what you can do is just like your regular push-up, do them from your knees instead. And you'll find here, this makes it a lot more accessible in terms of the amount of strength you need to be able to perform the exercise. I wonder if I'm able to perform a rep pulling myself in from my knees. No, but we might just like flip that video around to make it look like I did. So what we're going to do is you're going to start out, if you can, on your feet and perform as many of these reps here as possible with the slow 3 to 5 second eccentric. And you saw there, I sort of dumped towards the end because I am getting quite tired now because I've done about 17,000 reps. Try to control every single last inch of that range of motion and don't just collapse out into a heap on the ground. So ideally, try to hit around that 5 to 10-ish rep range in this position. Once you've failed there, now we can come up to our knees and perform the exact same eccentric lowering phase only. And you'll probably find that you're going to get, again, about that 5 to 10-ish rep range, stretching out. And once you've failed here completely, the final variations we're going to go into your regular push-up. And you can start again from your feet, perform some more push-ups, and once you fail there, come onto your knees and perform more push-ups. So now we have a you can't see my fingers, but pretend you can, a 4 exercise sequence for your chest that doesn't have you just doing 10 bajillion push-ups. It's going to give you a new stimulus and a very, very heavy stimulus that's usually quite hard to create just using regular bodyweight push-ups. Done like that in that 4 exercise sequence, they're absolutely fantastic, but you can of course also do them just without the push-ups at the end as well, and just do the first 2 fly variations. So there you go, guys. Give that a shot. Let me know what you guys think about it. And don't forget to like this video. Tap or smash the like button, smash that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.